Dear traders, in this video I am going to tell you about the new indicator, Trend Master indicator, that is one of the best indicator that is used for the simplest strategy, and in this video I will show you that how to set it up and how to use it to make serious profits in the stock market by using this indicator in TradingView. So if you are looking for a way to make money quickly and easily, then this is the strategy for you. And here I will be telling you that this strategy can not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. Before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which program I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, you will have 5 options of accounts. Among them there are 2 standard accounts, standard and standard cent, and there are 3 professional accounts, raw, spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you're interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have chosen gold chart with 15 minutes time frame. You can choose any time frame from 3 minutes to 30 minutes, but I have chosen 15 minutes for my scalping, and if you want to do day trading, then you can choose any time frame from here. The indicator that we are going to use in the strategy, the first indicator is Trend Master free indicator by Trend Master Pro, and 726 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart, and now you can see that now it will be looking like this. Here there is a cloud that is showing us that our market has to move in between the cloud. If it is gone out of that, it means that our market is in the overbought or in the oversold level. Now we are going to add the second indicator, that is the trend RSI call outs, big bits by big bits, and 847 traders are using this indicator. So we have to click on it. It will be applied on a chart. Now you can see there are few labels which are in the green color, and there are few other labels that will be in the red color, for example here. So what are they showing? Basically when these labels will appear in the market, it means on the chart, it means that in the market you are in the oversold level, then green color labels will appear. So it means that your market has to take the trend reversal and it will move in the upward direction or in the bullish pattern. And if you receive any red colored label in the market, it means that you are already in the overbought level. So your market will be taking a trend reversal and it will change into the bearish pattern. So this is a very simple strategy how to enter into the market. Always remember, whenever our market will be in the uptrend, then our TM free indicator will give us the labels, and our RSI callouts, this will give us the labels in the green or in the red color. So as you can see here, it has given us some labels along with the text that are showing that our market is already in the oversold level. So now our market has to take the trend reversal and it has to move above this cloud, right? So when our market will move above this cloud and it will form 2 of the candles, then we have to enter into the market for the buy signal, and we have to take the trade for the buy, and we will earn the maximum profit. Conversely, if we see that if our market is already in the overbought level, then our trend indicator, that is RSI callouts indicator, that will give us the signal for sell signal, and it will show us that the market has gone in the overbought level. Now it will take the trend reversal and finally it will enter into the bearish trend. And so you can see that here the market has moved down to this cloud and it has entered into the market for the sell signal. So this is the strategy, that is simplest one, and here I have explained you that when to enter into the market and how and when these labels will appear and what are they showing. Always remember, if your market will be moving in between these 2 levels, then it means that you are not going to enter into any trade. You have to move your market to go up or below this cloud. Means if it will go up, it means in the overbought level, and if it will be below this cloud, it means it is in the oversold level. So you have to wait for your market to move maximum outside of it, and then it has to re-enter by taking trend reversal. As it will take trend reversal, you have to wait for 2 candles to be formed above this cloud, or in the case of bullish pattern, and if this 2 candles are formed, you can take the entry into the market, and then you can take the profit according to your proper trade. Okay, and in the case of sell signal, then you have to make sure that your market has to take the trend reversal, and your market has to move below this cloud. When 2 candles will be formed below this cloud, then you have to take the entry into the market, and finally you will be able to take the proper profit that you have planned accordingly. So this is all about the strategy. If you like the strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and do use it for your own trading. Thank you for watching it.